If you're like me and want to keep your floors super clean without having to constantly buy more floor cleaner, you are going to love this steam mop I was just gifted from Kenmore. This is an absolute brand new release, and what I love about steam cleaning in general is that it's killing all germs with steam, and steam is exceptionally powerful at working up stains, dried food, whatever happens to be on your surfaces. This is going to clean it up beautifully. Let's unbox this, set it up, and put it to the test. Now, this is how it comes out of the box. You have a very straightforward manual, and you have the main device. On the front of it, it has power, and then it has high pressure and low pressure steam, and a status light that will let you know if it is ready to steam. And then this is where you pour in water. It does come with a little cup that you can pour water in with, or you can use whatever you want. And the water goes into this water tank right here. And then the handle does come separately. And so you have to install that, and you just have to line it up and then add in the included screw. And when you put the handle in, make sure to push it all the way down. I tried to insert the screw too early and it wasn't fully locked into place. But once you have it in the right spot, it will go in very easily, and you will just need a Phillips head screwdriver to tighten it the rest of the way. And now it's fully assembled. It's starting out with a scrub brush. So this comes with a steam scrub brush, great for things like bathroom tiles, working on that grout. You can definitely use this on walls as well. So that is super cool to see. And you can remove this scrub brush. It just has a Phillips head screw right here, and then you just pop it right out. If you need to, maybe you want it to be separate so you can clean it. Maybe you get a few of these and you want to swap them out or just replace it over time. But you never have to take this off, as the main mop head just locks right into the insert inside it. And you'll hear it snap into place. And then to unsnap it, you'll just press this button and it comes right off. But when it's snapped into place, it stands upright, and then it comes with 2 cotton reusable mop head covers. Really nice. They just have a simple drawstring on the sides to put them on, and it comes with one already on. If I take that off, you can see that it's a very simple concept on the base. It just has these openings that are going to be shooting that hot steam through. And then this is what's going to be capturing all the dirt and using the steam to clean and sanitize your floors. And then you have what is at least 12 feet of cord. Actually, it's got to be much longer than that. So you have a lot of cord to work with. You don't need a grounded plug. And when it's not in use, the cord can just wrap right up here. So now we've had it assembled, gone over the basics. Let's add some water and put this to the test. First things first, I'll add some water to the tank and spill it everywhere in the process. And you should be able to see that the tank is transparent and the water is about halfway full now. That's plenty of water for what I'm doing now. Let me plug it in. Now, when you turn it on, it's going to be red, and it'll take about 15 seconds for it to be ready. And then it will turn blue, and it will automatically start at low steam. And then you'll want to hit the high steam button if you want to switch to high steam. So let's give it those 15 seconds. And there it goes. It's now on the low steam, and you can hear it too. And I'm just going to switch it up to high immediately, and I'm going to clean this floor real quick. One thing to keep in mind with a steam cleaner is right now it is running steam on one part of my floor. So you do want to be careful about what surfaces you have it on and how long it sits on them. So I'll put it to high, and I just need to press this foot button for it to go down, and then I can start cleaning. Now, I only did a small section of my floor, but it did a spectacular job cleaning it. It is so nice, shiny, clean, perfect. Now I'm going to tackle my dirty kitchen floor. This floor shows dirt so fast. So I love having something like this on hand to quickly clean up messes or just do a quick mop of the whole space. It starts up so fast, And I love that you can leave water in this. Since it's going to boil that water, you don't have to worry about it getting old in the reservoir. So you really can have this just ready to plug in as a grab and go mop when you need it. So now that it's ready, I'm again gonna go to high because I prefer high, but low would work well. And then I really can just start going. And because of the heat, it's taking up grease, it's taking up sticky stains. I can run it slow over dirtier areas, like in front of the oven. It is a little sticky to push, which makes sense, but it's doing an amazing job. Now I'm gonna stop right there with the half and half, as you can really see how wonderfully it cleaned this side and how this side is not clean at all. I even had some pretty gross gunky spots down here on the floor, and it took all of that up. It's as if it was never there. Really, really nice. That did a wonderful job. Definitely got my floor nice and clean. So I haven't cleaned anything more than what you just saw. And if I tip this over, it is very hot, but you can see just how much dirt came off those two small sections of floor. That's both disgusting and awesome at the same time. This is definitely getting the job done and showing me that I need to clean my floors more often. And thanks to this steam mop, I can have it all. This is a really great addition to your household. It'll definitely help keep things clean and make it easier on you. I hope this video helped you make a decision.